Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful morning here in Beledweyne, in the heart of Hiiraan, Somalia. Today I'm taking you with me on the little adventure. We are heading out to explore the streets, check out the local market and see what people are selling. Visit the Shabelle River and later I will stop by Barbershop for clean new haircut and also buying banana milkshake. It is going to be calm, simple day, just walking around and enjoying the real life of the city. So let us step outside and see what is happening around Beledweyne today. The noon air feels warm and fresh. You can already hear people talking in the streets and motorcyclists buzzing past. Beledweyne noon always have this beautiful rhythm, mix of calm and life. I love riding this, the wind blowing on your face, the sound of the engine and watching the busy streets go by. You can see people walking, kids and other bajajes racing through the narrow roads. It is one of the best ways to experience the rhythm of Beledweyne up close and full of life. Now we are entering the market area, one of the liveliest places in the city. You can hear the voices of sellers calling out prices, people laughing and sound of knives chopping meat in the butcher section. On one side, these are meat sellers. You can see fresh goat meat hanging, people choosing what they are wanting for a lunch or a dinner. The smell of grilled meat mixed with the scent of spices, onions and charcoal smoke is real taste of the Somali life. After spending some time in the market, I'm now heading toward the Shabelle River, one of the most beautiful and peaceful and important places in this region. The walk is lovely. The path is lined with green trees and small farms. You can feel cool breeze as you get closer to the river. The barber greets me with a smile and gets right to work. As he lines up my hair, I can smell the cleanage and see the clean cuts in the mirror. There is something relaxing about sitting in that chair, hearing the sound of clippers and feeling fresh air from the fan. I am stopping by a small juice shop for one of my favorites, banana milkshake. Fresh sip, cold, creamy and sweet, perfect after a hot day. Somali banana milkshakes are the best simple ingredients but such a rich taste. As I walk and enjoy the drink, the sun starts to set over Beledweyne. The sky turns orange and people finishing work and the streets slowly get quieter. It's been a beautiful day exploring the streets, meeting people